Vaughn. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be doing a grocery haul. I went grocery shopping today and had to replenish on a whole bunch of stuff. I went to one of my favorite supermarkets to ever exist, and that's Pete's Fresh Market. I love going there, as you guys can tell from some of my other haul videos I've done in the past, because they have the best produce, they have a wide selection of meats, they have exotic foods, they have foods from different countries, they have a lot of imports, they have really good wine and spirits. So I really love Pete's, you guys, and there's always really good deals. I always leave there feeling like I got a good value. So I spent $360. Which is pretty typical for my household. I mean, we do buy alcohol, which is not cheap. This will probably last us about a month. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got. I gotta move quickly though, because I got a lot of stuff that needs to go in the freezer. So I just walked through the door, as you guys saw. Okay, so Briar's ice cream, right? Got this for Ann. She's loving ice cream these days. Nice little treat for her. I got some lobster rangoon. Lobster rangoon. Expect to have company over this weekend, and you know, you gotta have little hors d'oeuvres, little things for people to eat. And you guys, I wanted to try this. I saw this for the first time ever. I didn't even know this existed. Put 10 of these coffee cubes into a glass and add approximately 5 ounces of cold or warm milk or milk substitute, and you're done. So this is just a quick way to have iced coffee. I just really wanted to try, you guys. I'll let you know what I think about it. All right, let me put this stuff in the freezer real quick. All right, let's get back to it. Okay. Speaking of coffee, I got some coffee sweetener flavoring refills for myself. I like oat milk, you guys. So this is the one that I talked about in my last favorites video. This is the one that I always get lately, but I wanted to try this one. I ain't gonna lie, I saw the word barista on here and I was like, let me try this one. It might be really, really good. So it supposedly steams and pours beautifully. I'll be the judge of that. But that's what I got for my coffee. Heavy whipping cream. You guys, I always get this because my husband always wants, you know, some macaroni and cheese, some truffle lobster mac and cheese, homemade Alfredo sauce with pastas and different things like that. So I'm one of those people who just sort of always has heavy whipping cream on hand. It's just so funny because I'll have that and then I won't have like regular milk, because nobody in here drinks regular milk. Because I don't really promote milk, you know, around here. We don't really drink it. You know, when you're the mom and you're the one doing the grocery shopping, whatever you promote is what your family is going to want and eat. So I just feel like that's the thing. So anyway, I got some of these frozen raw fresh water shrimp. I feel like these are really good with like some Asian dishes. Eggo waffles. These are for Ann. She loves these, you guys. More stuff for Ann. I like to get her these juicy juice, what do you call these things? Apple juices. Juicy juice apple juices is what you call them. And my husband always wants these Simply Limeade, Simply Lemonade drinks, because he likes to make little cocktails and stuff out of them. So I get this for him. You guys, I don't drink prepared juices. The juices that I drink come out of a juicing machine. I do not reach for orange juice. I do not reach for apple juice. I do not reach for anything, you guys. I just can't do it. I don't like it. But I will drink, you know, some fresh squeezed apple juice. So it's weird, I don't know, my taste buds, it doesn't click. Let's talk about some fruits and vegetables for a quick moment. So I always get these, they're great for grilling. So I got that. Blueberries for Ann. They had these limes on sale for 10 for $1, so I got 10. And then 2 for $1 avocados, had to get these. I always buy them when they're not ripe at all, unless I'm planning on eating it that day. Because if it's even a little bit ripe, and I try to play that timing game with the avocado, I always lose. And some hearts of romaine. This is for my husband for his salads, because I don't like lettuce salads. I can only do spinach or arugula or kale. And then I got some Honeycrisp apples for Ann. She's obsessed, you guys. I have to have apples at all times. Some red potatoes. A red onion. I always like to have these on hand, even if I don't have a recipe in mind or anything. Some of this stuff is how I shop, you guys. I'll just always have stuff because I know I'm always gonna be needing it or cooking with it. I don't necessarily have like a specific recipe in mind. It's just stuff that I normally go for. I got some strawberries for Ann. These are also her favorites. And then bananas, because my husband loves bananas. He eats one pretty much every single day. Baby carrots, you guys. I like having these for roasting and grilling, but also for Ann. These are for snacks for her. I should have grabbed 2, but we'll just, you know, we'll make this do, because she loves carrots, you guys. Okay, so that's it for produce. Let's move into some of these meats, honey. I am expecting my dad this weekend just come over and hang out. And you guys, this is one of his favorite things, hun. He has got to have his lamb chops, hun. Period. And speaking of my dad, the reason I say hun is because he raised me and he says hun. So yeah, I got these for my dad and my husband. And then I got some snow crab legs. I also got a couple of lobster tails and some Black Angus center cut New York strip steak for my husband. This is his favorite cut of the steak. He also likes the filet, but something about that New York strip he really loves. So I got this for him. I feel like I buy the same stuff all the time. So a duck, right? A duck. And then this is just for Ann. I buy this strictly for Ann, girl. This turkey bacon. This is the Jenny O one. She really, really loves it. So when they don't have the uncured bacon, then I'll just get the cured Jenny O brand. But if I go to like Mariano's or Whole Foods, they usually have the uncured kind, so I'll get that. Almost done. This video is not gonna be too long. All right. Girl, what are these called? These sprouts. I love this for my Asian dishes. Speaking of Asian dishes, I really need to go back to the Korean market that I used to always go to when we lived within the city lines of Chicago. Now I just feel like I'm like 25, 30 miles away from the place, but I need to make a day trip and go. And if I do that, I'm going to vlog the entire experience. I'm gonna take you guys in there with me because you're gonna love it. It's called Jungbu. Some of you guys already know and you've been, but if you live in Chicago and you enjoy like Oriental, you know, food, you have got to go to Jungbu, girl. It's all imported. None of the stuff is even printed in English. You just really have to know what you're going there to get. But honey, it's an amazing experience. I love it. So I gotta go back. I haven't been in a very long time. Also, I got some sun-dried tomato and pesto 3-cheese tortellini. This is gonna be great for Ann's little lunches and things like that. I try to get stuff that I can prepare quickly to send her off to school with, because all her therapists are gonna do is just pop it in a microwave really quick, so it has to already be prepared and put together how we want it to be. And usually Ann's lunches are something that needs to be warmed because I always cook her hot food and stuff. But anyway, some mild cheddar cheese for her grilled cheeses. And then also Munster because she really likes cheddar and Munster. Almost done, almost done. Don't go away, we're almost done. Oh, I need to put this in the freezer too. But anyway, girl, I just got this fudge layered cake by Pepperidge Farm. These are just good little easy desserts you can pull together really quick if you have company over or whatever. Whenever I have company, I try to have at least some kind of dessert offering, so that's for this weekend. For Ann, girl, she loves this maple and brown sugar instant oatmeal by Quaker. You guys, we are an oatmeal family. We absolutely love oatmeal. When my stepson comes to visit us, he's always like, are you making me oatmeal? And he likes the kind where you put like all the ingredients on top, like the granola, the fruit and all that, the brown sugar. But I get these for Ann because it's easy to make these for her in the morning right before school. Yep, got some more coffee K-cups. These are just the Donut Shop mocha latte ones. I wanted to give this a try to see how it would be, so I'll let y'all know if I like it. But I've been really feeling the mocha flavors lately, so yeah. The lighting is terrible in this video. Junk food bag, all right? I got some kettle chips, the sea salt kind. These are for me. For Ann, I got her these gluten-free Snyder's of Hanover mini pretzels. No soy, no dairy, no casein, no egg, you know, just whatever. Really a clean, nice little snack just for her. Another little snack for Ann. She really likes these little Buttercrisp cookies, you guys. If you're not familiar with this type of cookie, just think about a waffle cone is basically what this tastes like. More couscous, so I just get the pearl couscous, and I always get the kind that cooks in 10 minutes. Because I didn't grow up eating couscous and all that, so I don't, you know, I don't know how to like make it. But I like it, so I just get the easy instant stuff. So this cooks in 10 minutes. It's fat-free, cholesterol-free. It's just delicious. It's so good to like cook with vegetable broth or chicken broth or beef broth or whatever you prefer. And then to like serve it with like, you know, grilled vegetables or roasted vegetables or any meats or whatever that you might want. Love couscous for that. And then I just got this Annie's Organic Goddess salad dressing. Yeah, because we have salad dressings, but they're all like sweet and stuff. I wanted to get a savory kind of one. This is the bread I get for Ann. It's just a Sara Lee honey wheat. She loves this for her grilled cheese sandwiches. All right, now I think that's it for the food. Let me show y'all these drinks that I got. So I wanted to try this Chronic Cellars Purple Paradise 2017. This is basically a red blend. Let me read y'all this blend. Okay, I'm so excited about this. First of all, this is 14.5% ABV, so that's pretty darn high for wine. It's 78% Zinfandel, 9% Petit Syrah, 7% Syrah, 6% Grenache. Help me out in the comments, y'all. But anywho, I wanted to give this a try because it just sounded interesting. I'm like, this is probably gonna be really good. So my mom is coming over tomorrow. Her and my dad can't be here at the same time. She's coming tomorrow and I'm going to open this up with her. Okay, so some more stuff. This is the sangria that I always get, you guys. This is Anthony's favorite. Anthony loves sweet drinks. He doesn't drink any of my red wine or any of my dark beers and stuff. He only wants like the sweet cocktails, the sweet sangrias and all that. So this is for him. And if you haven't tried that sangria, I would recommend it. I don't know if you guys have ever had the, what are those sangrias that are just like way too strong on the alcohol content tip? What is it called? Y'all know what I'm talking about. It starts with a C. I'll think of it and put the name. But anyway, Anthony hates that kind and my mom hates that too, but they'll drink that one. So if you didn't like this kind, you'll probably like this one. This tastes like restaurant sangria, Spanish tapas, restaurant sangria. That's what this tastes like to me. All right, so this other wine that I wanted to try, I haven't tried this one yet. This is a 19 Crimes, but this one is called the Warden. I'm excited to see what this one tastes like. It just says red wine. It doesn't really give much of a description, so we'll have to check this one out, see what's up. Cabernet Sauvignon. So I got this Decoy one. It's from Sonoma County. It's a Duckhorn Portfolio wine. They had this over by the meats, aged steaks, and all that stuff. They had this over there by that, so I'm like, this must be a good one. I don't always spend $25 on bottles of red wine, but every now and then I do, because I know that that price threshold is gonna make a difference in taste. So sometimes I just want to go for the good stuff. Now, I wanted to try this sparkling sake. This is a white peach flavor. It's by Bonsai Bunny. I like sake. I get it often. I haven't in a long time, but I like getting sake, especially from that Korean market that I was telling you guys about. They have tons of different types of sake. You'll just go nuts in there trying to choose one. But I like it, but I wanted to try this one because it's sparkling and it's got the white peach flavor, so this will be very different from anything I've ever tried. So I'll have to let you guys know what I think about this. Okay, that's it for the haul. I just want to show you all this water that I tried to try today, and it was a complete fail. I don't know what is going on, girl, but this is a craft water product. It's supposed to hydrate and rejuvenate. It's in the flavor cherry peppercorn infused with electrolyte water. It's supposed to be refreshingly delicious and truly hydrating. There's no sugars, no sweeteners, no carbs, no calories, and you can tell when you drink it, honey. Listen, I picked this up because I was thirsty, and I'm like, yeah, let me get some electrolytes real quick. I mean, I saw the word electrolyte. Give me this. Girl, as you can see, this is how much I drank all the way home, hun. Nasty. It's nasty. But I'm gonna finish it because I bought it and it was like $2.50. You know what this tastes like? I'm about to get real silly real quick. Do you know what this tastes like? Think about drinking like a Tahitian treat and you had ice in it and the drink is finished and you have it sitting somewhere and all the ice melts and you drink that melted ice like that nasty melted ice. That's what this tastes like, you guys. It tastes like melted ice with a drop of whatever you were drinking before you finished it. This tastes like when you're drinking one more. It tastes like when you're swimming in a pool, some of that swimming pool water gets in your mouth. I'm telling you, that's what this tastes like. Okay, you guys, so we are all done with today's haul. I hope this was enjoyable and gave you guys some food ideas. Or if you need to get your butt up and go to the grocery store, this will motivate you to go and try some new things and replenish, get your food stocked up, honey, and enjoy life, okay? And I will talk to you guys in my next one. Mwah! Bye.